Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit text in Wix. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. If you're like me, you have multiple websites on your Wix account. Select or click on Select and Edit Site on the website you want to work on. If you have a single website on your Wix account, you will directly land on this page. Now click on this Edit Site button to access your Wix website editor, or Wix editor for short. To edit text in Wix, it's simple. Just double click the text you want to edit and this new window pops up. You can edit the style of your text just like that. You can also edit the font. You have a very long list of fonts that you can use. You can also edit the font size or text size using this slider. And you can make your text bold or not, italic, underlined, like that. To edit the text color, click on this A icon and pick your color from this list. You can also make your text highlighted. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. You can also make your text highlighted like that. Let's highlight it with this white color. You can add a link to your text by clicking on this link icon. This new window pops up. You can link to one of your existing pages on your Wix website from this list. If you have an anchor added to a page on your Wix website, select the page first from this list, then select the anchor that you want to link into. Now, if someone clicks on this new link using this anchor number 1, he will want or visit the page and scroll down to the exact anchor placement. You can also link to an email or a phone number. Let's close this window. You can also edit the alignment of your text, left, center, right. You can add bullets or numbering your text like that, and you can decrease indent, increase indent like that. You can also add effects on your text. This is simple. And after that, close this window and don't forget to hit this publish button to publish your edited text online. And this is how to edit text in Wix. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.